Hi, this is Srinivas. So today we are going to see about if else if. In our previous session we have seen if case, next we have seen if else. Now we are going to see about if else if. So what is this and what is the difference between your previous one and this if else if? So in your previous session we have seen if case, if will take a condition and if that condition is satisfied, then it is going to give you a boolean value. Depending upon the boolean value, either true or false, your C processor will execute the statements that are present in your if. If it is true, it is going to execute the statements that are present in your if case. If the condition is false, then it will go into your else part and it is going to execute the statements that are present in your else part. So that is what we have seen in our previous sessions. If else. So now we are going to see about if else if. See here, there is a one more condition has been checked here in your if else if. Here previously if condition is not satisfied, the false, the statements in your else part are executed, but there is no condition has been checked in your else part. If it is false, it is going to execute the statements in your else. But here in your if else if, again we are going to check the condition here in your else part also. So here we are going to check one more condition. If that condition is satisfied, then the statements in this if else if block is executed. If the condition is false, again it is going to the next statement. So again we are going to check one more condition. If the condition is false, again it is going to your else part. So here the condition is checked first. If it is satisfied, statements are executed. It is coming here. If it is false, again we are going to check a condition. If it is true, the statements are executed. Else, it is going to go to your else part. So this is your if else if. We called it as if else if ladder here. First condition checking, again condition checking, again condition checking. If the conditions are satisfied, it is going to execute those statements. If all the conditions are not satisfied, then it is going to your else part and it is executing the statements in your else part. So it is in the form of a ladder. So that's the reason we call it as if else if ladder here in this if else if. So here we will see the flow diagram, how it is used, and we will see a small example here. So for that we have taken a flow chart. Here we are going to see the marks. If the marks are greater than equal to 90, then if this condition is true, then we are printing it as grade A for that subject. If the condition is not true, then it is false. So it is coming here. Again we are checking a condition, marks are greater than equal to 80. Yes, if this condition is true, then we are printing grade B. If the condition is false, again I am checking one more condition here in my false. If marks are greater than equal to 70, yes, if it is true, I am printing that as grade C in that subject. If the false, again I am checking one more condition here. So marks greater than equal to 50. Yes, if it is true, I am printing as grade D. If this condition is false, even the marks are not greater than equal to 50, then I am printing as grade F, or we call it as else part. Okay, so in this way we are going to check each and every condition in this if else if. If the condition is true, the statements are executed. If it is false, again I am checking one more condition. Yes, in that subject I got more than equal to 80 marks. If it is true, grade B, no, still I have not got 80 marks. Again I am checking is it is greater than equal to 70. If it is 70, grade C, no, I am again checking 50. If it is 50, I am taking as grade D, or false, I am printing as it as a grade F or fail. This is your else. If all these conditions are false, it is going to grade F. If the condition is satisfied, accordingly, it is going to take it as grade A, B, C, or D. So this is a small example for your if else if. So this is the structure of your if else if ladder. So if the condition is satisfied, statements are executed. Else if the condition is satisfied, statements are executed. I am checking one more condition here. If this condition is satisfied, the statements are executed. Else, if all these conditions, three conditions are not satisfied, directly my C processor will go into else part and it will execute the statements that are present in my else part. So this is about your if else. Thank you.